In this video, we listed the 5 best quietest 3D printers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Creality Ender 3 Max Neo. The Creality Ender 3 Max Neo is a versatile 3D printer designed for both large and small-scale projects, featuring an impressive build volume of 300 by 300 by 320 mm that allows for efficient printing of multiple models simultaneously. Equipped with a CR Touch automatic leveling sensor, it simplifies the leveling process by measuring and adjusting the print height across 25 points on the heat bed, enhancing overall efficiency. The printer's high-precision dual Z-axis system, along with a full metal extruder, ensures stability and reduces the risk of printing errors, while the 32-bit silent mainboard operates at a noise level below 50 dB, creating a quieter printing environment. Additionally, the Ender 3 Max Neo includes a reliable 350W power supply with power loss recovery capabilities, allowing users to resume prints after interruptions, and a filament sensor that monitors material levels to prevent wastage and improve printing success rates. Number 2. Creality K1C 3D printers. The Creality K1C 3D printer is an advanced home use device that significantly enhances 3D printing capabilities with its upgraded features. Constructed with high-quality materials such as carbon fiber, metal, and titanium alloy, it boasts an all-metal hot end and a durable steel-tipped copper nozzle, allowing it to handle advanced materials effortlessly. This printer stands out with its impressive printing speed of 600 mm per second, which is 12 times faster than conventional FDM printers, and it achieves this speed almost instantaneously with a 20,000 mm s² acceleration rate. The K1C is designed for ease of use, featuring hands-free auto leveling and a pre-assembled setup that includes a quick start guide for prompt operation. It also incorporates advanced cooling systems to maintain print quality and offers versatile connectivity options, including USB and Wi-Fi, enabling remote control and monitoring through the Creality Print or Creality Cloud applications. With its AI camera for real-time error alerts and efficient performance, the K1C ignites a passion for 3D printing while promoting eco-friendliness and efficiency. Number 3. Newest Tina 2S 3D printer. The Hefty 3D Tina 2S 3D printer is a compact and user-friendly device designed for both beginners and experienced users, featuring a sleek aluminum construction and a vibrant Tina 2S Wi-Fi color. With dimensions of 8.26 inch x 8.26 x 11.4 h and a lightweight design of 2.6 kg, it is easy to set up and operate right out of the box. The printer supports wireless printing through its proprietary Poto Print Cloud app, which offers a vast library of models and allows for one-click slicing and printing via smartphone or tablet. It boasts a fully open-source platform compatible with various slicing software, facilitating DIY model creation and USB transfers. The Tina 2S ensures a quiet printing environment with noise levels between 40 to 50 dB and features an auto-leveling bed, a heatable PEI spring steel magnetic platform, and a robust cooling system to enhance print quality. Additionally, it includes a resume print function for uninterrupted printing during power outages. Ideal for a wide range of users, from hobbyists to professionals, this printer is perfect for creating architectural models, educational projects, and DIY crafts. The product comes with a 30-day return policy, a 12-month repair warranty, and lifetime technical support, ensuring customer satisfaction and assistance. Number 4. FlashForge 5M 3D printer. The FlashForge Adventurer 5M is a state-of-the-art 3D printer designed for efficiency and quality, featuring a fully automatic one-click leveling system that eliminates the need for manual Z-axis calibration, ensuring a flawless first layer with every print. Its core XY structure allows for impressive speeds of up to 600 mm per second and rapid acceleration of 20,000 mm s², enhancing overall performance. The printer boasts quick-change nozzles for rapid 3-second swaps, a high-flow nozzle for stable high-speed printing, and a dual-sided PEI platform for easy print removal. With a warm-up time of just 35 seconds to reach 200 degrees Celsius, it supports a variety of materials including PLA, PETG, and TPU, and offers multiple nozzle diameter options for precision or efficiency. Ideal for both beginners and experts, the Adventurer 5M is designed for use in well-ventilated spaces and includes advanced features like filament detection and power recovery, making it a smart, user-friendly choice for all creative projects while ensuring consistent, high-quality results free from ghosting. Number 5. Flsun T1 3D Printer. The Flsun T1 3D printer is a high-performance machine designed for rapid and precise printing, featuring an impressive speed of up to 1000 mm per second and an acceleration of over 30,000 mm². With a generous printing volume of 260 mm in diameter and 330 mm in height, it allows for large-scale projects while maintaining stability and accuracy through its delta structure. The printer is equipped with an acrylic enclosure that expands its compatibility with a wide range of materials, including standard filaments like PLA and PETG, as well as more challenging materials such as ABS and TPU, thanks to its dual-gear direct drive extruder and high-temperature capabilities, nozzle up to 300 degrees Celsius and heated bed up to 110 degrees Celsius. The Flsun T1 also features a user-friendly design with easy bed leveling that eliminates warping issues, an integrated AI camera for real-time monitoring, and advanced clipper firmware for enhanced printing performance. Overall, the T1 combines speed, versatility, and innovative technology to deliver a seamless 3D printing experience.